Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm kabiredlee, and today we will be doing, I have no idea, but I just went to Rossmann's here in Germany and I bought some new products that I saw, and one that really sparked my interest, which I'm excited to try, is this one here. It's by Klaudia mit K. If you guys know Germany's Next Top Model, there was Klaudia. She was a model in Germany here, and she was a bit eccentric, and now she has her own makeup palette. Yeah, so this one is like super mega glittery, so we're gonna see how this works. Hopefully it works out. And I bought some really awesome cool reds, which I'm not sure if we'll try it in this video, some cool orange lipstick, funky eyeliners, and some really sick lashes. So we'll kind of see where this video takes us, and yeah, we're just gonna basically have fun and do something really glittery. And I hope you guys like my new set. It's not completely finished, background isn't the best, but yeah, we got some new lights going on here. So let's get started. First, I always like to start off with the Farsali serum. So we prime our face and our neck, and then let this all soak in all this goodness. Today I won't be using the pore refining primer. I bought it, it was from Catrice. I find that it's a bit too fatty and the makeup doesn't sit well on my skin, so I'm gonna have to try and find another primer. If anyone has any suggestions on a super primer that's maybe not too expensive, something that we can get in Germany here, then that would be really cool. So make sure that you let me know in the comments below. Good, so we're gonna use this MAC Pro Longwear cover up, and I'm gonna go to town. Next I'll go in with my foundation stick. This one's from Catrice. It's voted #1 in Germany. It works super good and it's super affordable. Hopefully now you can't see that I haven't slept for the last 8 months. So next we'll take our fixing powder and we will set under the eyes. So recently for my contour I've been using a MAC paint stick and it's pretty intense, so I just take kind of a smaller brush. No special brushes here, people. I'm waiting for my birthday and for Christmas. So. Oh yeah, that looks intense and streaky. Definitely the look we're going for today. And I take my blush contour brush and blend that up to the gods. And I don't know if you guys know this, but generally I don't have so much time. I have a million different jobs. I love to keep busy, and yeah, this is something new that I've started, my YouTube channel and Instagram. Just started that today. Well, I've always had Instagram, but you know, starting my beauty guru influencer ding. Don't forget to go follow me there as well. I'll link everything down below. So I have kind of a nice contour going on. To be honest, I'm not really sure where this look is going. So I think I'm going to basically do my eyebrows. I'll just do those quick off camera, and then we'll come back and we'll start with the eyes, and then we'll finish off with the blush and highlighter. See you soon. So we have these like kind of mismatched baby caterpillars on my face. Thank you, 90s. I think though we should start off with a base. So maybe since I have blue on, we'll go with a blue look. Maybe blues and oranges because they're complementary colors. This would be cool. Why not, guys? Let's look a little. I have nowhere else to be today except here with you guys. And I've just found this like really cool kind of blue. I think it also has a little bit of glitter. Oh, look at that. Okay. Let's go in. And then I think for the bottom we'll kind of go in with a kind of a little gray here. God, I'm dying for some blush and some highlighter, but we have to see where this goes first. Ooh, let's take then from this Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, Sophie X palette. And we're gonna take like this sick chrome blue and we'll put it in our corners. So you have a bit of dimension. I have hooded eyes, so sometimes it takes a minute for me to get the look I'm going for. Good, and I'm gonna cut my crease. Now because we're using glitter, I don't think the crease has to be too spot on, like not completely perfect, because we're probably gonna end up blending it up. These are looking pretty even. And they've turned a little green. So our kit here, yes, I can try this. I'll swatch it basically on my hand. So we will take then, since we're doing blue, we will take a blue. I'll start here with this like lighter blue. And right now it's not looking like too thick. I think that's okay, I guess. It's showing up pretty blotchy. Okay, let's take the next finger and go into this other darker blue right beside it. Yeah, again, it's looking pretty oily, but I don't know, I guess that could have like a cool effect on the eye. Let's go in then with this brush again. It's not really picking up on the brush. Ooh, guys, this is looking rough. I see nothing. Do you guys see anything? There's basically nothing on my eye. Should I try again? So we're going into that blue color again. I'm swirling around like crazy. I guess if we... Oh God, look at this. Okay. I know some glitters, or most glitters, you have to go in with your hand, but I didn't think it would be like this. It's not coming off of my hands. So, let's try this again. Go in with my finger and like scoop it up, I guess. Oh God, it's like going everywhere. Fuck. I don't get it. Oh my God. I don't know, guys. This isn't seeming to work very well. I want my €5 back. Oh my God. I'm already hitting pan. Like that. That's intense. I'm trying again for like the third or fourth time and it's literally not even like staying on my eye. Oh my God. This to me feels like it's literally just Vaseline with glitter in it. Just as a general lover and user of makeup and someone, you know, that's been doing videos for such a long time, 2 weeks. This to me is not really working. Now I'm on the darker blue. Can kind of see it some more. Oh God, this is not going well. Let's go in with the way darker blue. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is not working. It's literally chunks on my eyes. It's like all the product is chunking together. I don't know if we can save this. Yeah, this is rough. This is really, really rough. Like, what could I do? I could try like this crazy, I guess, like unicorn color. Like, these all look sick, and if these worked, then that would be amazing. Oh my God, I don't know, guys. Now that just took off more of my makeup. As you can see, I've made pretty much a mess of it already. And yeah, it's not really working. So yeah, so this product isn't very expensive. It's brand new on the market. And I don't think it works at all. I don't even know how to tell you that. You can see. It literally doesn't work. So there were like 2 other palettes, and the other one had more sparkle chromey kind of colors, not actual glitter, and then the second palette was just plain mattes. So I tried the matte, a swatch on my hand, and it seemed like the color was vibrant and it was staying and everything. But this here, guys, you could just throw it away. It's literally like Vaseline and glitter, and it's wrecking this look. So we're gonna try and salvage it somehow. Maybe we'll go in with a bit of purple from this palette, and we'll try to kind of fix it. We'll go in with this champagne sparkly color, which obviously I love because now I am almost out of it. Oh god, this is like all clumping together from the sparkles underneath. To be honest, there's not much else I can do to save it at this point. So I think we are going to go in with what I had originally thought, but I wasn't sure of. So I am using the Fall Back to Nature palette, which I've used before. It's pretty sick. It has like some pretty outrageous like blushes and highlights. So I'm going to go in with this little pumpkin color. And put a little deep purple underneath just to refreshen the contour again. I have sensitive skin and sometimes makeup doesn't sit properly or just stay on my face. So it's always been kind of an issue for me. I need to add a highlighter. The Catrice, the Dewy Drops. Have that done, so maybe we're not looking as dead. And so we're going to go in with eyeliner. This is rough, guys. This is really hard to get this nice. I have to say, this glitter is ruining the look. It didn't even work, and now my makeup is smudging everywhere. Eyeliner is done. Now let's try and save it with these new Kiss lashes. I saw them and thought, yeah, amazing. So I'll just put those on off camera and then I'll be right back. My eyelashes are all done. These are amazing. Love the eyelashes. Ooh. I bought this also from Rival de Loup. So hopefully this lipstick is going to be better than the eyeshadow palette. It's number 10. It's like this awesome orange. I don't know if you guys can see, but I still have glitter everywhere. It's going all over my face. Okay. This is looking a little clowny. Fuck. Hey, in the color spectrum, it says that blue and orange are complementary colors, so that's what we're going with today. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe below, like and share the video, and check me out also on Instagram at kabiredlee. And just to clarify, I don't think it's worth your money. Yeah, it's only €5, but you could spend that €5 on something else, piece of garbage I would buy, rather than this palette again. Hope to see you guys next time. I don't recommend this product to anyone. Sorry, Klaudia with Ka. You have lots of personality, but this was a real miss. Jeffree Star moment. Bye, guys.